Not every online course is worth your time or your money. But today, I'll show you exactly how to choose the right course that actually moves your career forward. By the end of this video, you'll know how to spot credible platforms, match your skills, and pick a certificate that employers respect. Step 1. Define your career goal. Are you learning to get hired, get promoted, or start freelancing? Your goal determines the kind of course you need. For example, if you're switching careers, look for structured specializations or career paths. If you're upgrading skills, short, project-based courses are better. Next, credibility. Always research the platform before enrolling. Platforms like Coursera or edX partner with real universities. That means your certificate can carry weight on LinkedIn and resumes. But if you're after creativity or freelancing, Skillshare or Udemy might fit better. Practical, hands-on, and flexible. Step 3. Choose the right level. Don't start too advanced. Check the beginner, intermediate, or advanced labels. Read reviews or watch previews to see if the instructor matches your learning style. Instructors make or break the course. Always check their credentials. If they have real-world experience, like working in Google, IBM, or as a freelancer, it's a green flag. Step 5. Not all certificates are equal. University-backed ones from Coursera, edX, or Google Career Certificates hold value on resumes. Others might help build your portfolio or personal brand instead. So ask yourself, does this certificate prove your skill, or just say you completed a course? Lastly, look for real student outcomes. If past learners say it helped them land jobs or projects, that's a solid sign the course delivers.
So choosing the right course isn't about following trends. It's about aligning your goal, skill level, and credibility. Before you buy any course in 2025, follow these steps, and you'll save time, money, and frustration. Hit subscribe for more career growth guides.